Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 2. Our today's topic is multiplication, part 1. Today's lecture number 25, homework 22. Dear students, homework 22 is given. In this part you have to do 3 multiplication. 1, 2, 3. This 3 multiplication you have to do as your homework, and you have to submit your homework on next Saturday. Dear students, depending on today's class, you have to do the multiplication. Okay, dear students, as our today's topic is multiplication, so at first you have to know what is multiplication. Okay, dear students, multiplication is the short form of addition. Now see, how can I say the definition? Suppose I am writing some numbers here: 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I have added 4 6 here. I have added 4 6 here. 1 2 3 4. So if we add, we will get here 24. The sum will be 24. Now this addition we can express in short. We can express in short. So we have to write the number at first, then we'll write how many number here. 1 2 3 4. 4. So if we multiply 6 by 4, we'll get the product. 6 4s are 24. This is multiplication and this is addition. So we can say this multiplication is the short form of addition. Multiplication is the short form of addition. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the definition of multiplication. Okay, now I will show you 5 multiplication in today's class. You will learn how to multiply. Dear students, now at first see, you have to multiply the first number by the second number. Here first number is 1 means 11, and here second number is 8. We have to multiply 11 by 8. As 11 is a 2-digit number, at first you have to remember that at first you have to multiply ones place by the ones place, or it means by the first number. So by the number 8. So multiply ones place at first, then multiply tens place. So at first we have to multiply ones place. It means we have to start from right. Okay. Now to multiply, we need to know the times table. We need to know the times table. As we need to multiply by 8, so we need to know the times table of 8. Dear students, say the times table of 8 up to 1. So we can say 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. So as here is 1, so we have to say up to 1. 8 ones are 8. Now ones place is done. Go to the tens place. Tens place is also 1. So say the times table of 8 again. That is 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. So we can write here 8. Okay, dear students. So this multiplication is done. We can write here the product. In answer we have to write the product. That is 88. Okay. Question 1 done. Now go to question 2. In question 2 we have to multiply 21 by 4. 21 by 4. So we have to multiply ones place means 1 at first by 4. If we want to multiply by 4, we have to say the times table of 4. So say the times table of 4, as first ones place is 1. So we have to say up to 1. Times table of 4 up to 1. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So we can write here 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. Now ones place is done. Go to the next place. Next place, what is the next place? 2. Tens place is 2. So say the times table of 4 up to 2. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we can write here 8. So product is 84. Answer, product is 84 here. Okay dear students, now go to the next question, question 3. We need to multiply 23 by 3. 23 by 3. Say the times table of 3 up to 3 at first, as 3 is in ones place. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So we can write here 9. We can write here 9. What is the next one? Next one is 2. It means tens place is 2. Now multiply 2 and 3. So say the times table of 3 up to 2. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we can write here 6. So the answer of this question, it means the product is 69. Product is 69. Okay dear students, now let us see next question. Question 4. This is question 4. This is question 4. Now we have to multiply 34 by 5. 34 by 5. So at first we have to say the times table of 5 up to 4. So say the times table of 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Okay, say 5 fours are 20. So if we write 20 here, ones place is 0. So write 0. 2 carrying, 2 carrying. Now say the times table of 5 again up to 3, as tens place is 3. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 and carrying 2. 15 and carrying 2. If we add, this is 17. So we have to write 17 here. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood question 4. So now write the answer here. Answer is 170. 170. Now go to the last question, question 5. That is 32 we have to multiply by 7. 32 we have to multiply by 7. To do the multiplication, we need to say the times table of 7. At first we have to say up to 2, then we have to say up to 3. So say the times table of 7 up to 2. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. If we write 14 here, 4 is in ones place, so we have to write 4. Now 1 carrying, 1 carrying. Now 7 threes are 21. So the times table of 7 up to 3. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and carrying 1. That is 21 plus 1. It means 22. So we have to write here 22. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood the multiplication today we have done. It means that multiplication part 1 you have understood, and depending on today's class you have to do your homework. This is your homework 22. 3 multiplication is given here as your homework. Do your homework properly. Submit your homework on next Saturday. Okay dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.